viewers, welcome to Mojo for Industry. We are here at DistribuELEC exhibition in Mumbai, where groundbreaking technologies in the power distribution industry are taking center stage. Today, we have the privilege of being at the Jakson Group booth, where we'll be interviewing Nitin Gupta, the Associate Vice President for Sales and Marketing in Transmission, Substation and Distribution. Join us as we delve into the role being played by Jakson Infra within the energy ecosystem. Hi Nitin sir, so can you provide an overview of the key role of Jakson Infra within the energy spectrum from generation to storage?
Jakson is a 75-year company. So we have been building our business on sustainability, providing sustainable energy solutions. So we have grown from our diesel genset business and have grown into various verticals which has been our growth levers. So we are now in renewable. We are doing almost more than 3 gigawatts of renewables, IPPs and EPC projects. Then we have ventured into CBD. Then in battery energy storage, we are going big way. And in infrastructure segment, we are gone ahead in various verticals which are building on our sustainable energy solutions which we want to provide to our customers, which impacts their life. So this has been the mantra of our business and growth which we are looking going forward.
So we are at an exhibition which is talking about power. So talking about the power transmission segment, in what ways does the Jakson Infra contribute to the power transmission segment?
Jakson has been in the business of power for more than almost a decade now. So we started venturing into electrical products because electricity is the background which we carried from our genset experience. Then we started doing electrical works. And now we have partnered in the RDSS projects across various states. Namely, we have done works in Bihar, Jharkhand, Maharashtra. We are doing works in Kolkata, Maharashtra. We are doing projects. Rajasthan, we are doing projects. And we have been successfully implementing a lot of initiative which government has taken in this revamp development scheme. And going forward, we are also looking at RDSS Phase 2, which is supposed to be announced in the coming budget, or maybe which has the outlay of supplying almost more than 780 gigawatts of electricity to the end consumer by 2020-30. That is what the government has been endeavored to. All the planning work is already going on. So that will be our next focus areas. And then we have also trying to partner with the government for this smart fitting projects which are going to come, which many states have already floated, and we are looking at the upcoming states like Punjab, Jharkhand, then Rajasthan, and there are various other states which are going to come. So there is few focus points which we will like to look forward going forward. And our core business of transmission distribution is continues. So we have been working with Power Grid. We are working for Nepal electricity boards. So our outlook for the business is to grow it domestically as well as internationally. There are few areas where we want to focus, which is basically our SAARC markets and Africa region. We are looking aggressively on those areas and look forward to working in those areas.
So as rural electrification has been given due emphasis, what sort of business growth do you expect in this area?
So rural, the main focus earlier the government was to provide the reach, which is basically we are talking about reaching the customers. Now how do we enable them to consume 24 hours? So all the actions are taken in that directions, right? So like for example, earlier people were using electricity for 2 hours in a day. Now government endeavor is to give them electricity for 24 hours. So all the system enablement is being done to enhance the capacities of the system so that we are able to cater to the needs for 24 hours. So this is in terms of rural. In urban areas, if we talk about, a lot of work is done towards, one is improving the capacity utilization. Second is how do we reduce the nuances of right of ways, how the city looks like. A lot of underground works which are going to come. and we look forward to partnering for those type of works with the
So now that you said that about how the city looks and about urban and rural development, I'd like to ask how has Jakson been involved in the urban transportation?
See, urban transportation is the area of interest to us. We have been looking at a few of the, like there is a recent scheme of Parbat Mala which was floated by Mr. Nitin Gupta. So we're looking at having a venture into a business of doing ropeway in the urban areas. So there are few projects which are going to come. For example, Shimla ropeway system is being planned so that whole city can be decongested. Similarly, Varanasi was the recent example which is being done by one of the developer. So similar projects, we are looking forward to those type of projects. If we get an opportunity to work in this area, definitely we'll look at it.
And what about metros? Do you have anything to say about that? Because Jakson Infra is mainly focusing right now on these kind of projects. So what do you have to say about that?
See, metro, we are already working in all the 4 metros. We are doing Mumbai Metro, we are doing Calcutta, we are doing Bangalore. So E&M work, we are doing a lot of EMR work, and we continue to work on those areas. Now with Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities coming up with the metro projects, so we will be partnering in those for the E&M works. That is definitely on the cards.
Thank you so much. So viewers, we were at a company that has been revolutionizing the entire energy ecosystem from generation to storage. Thank you so much for joining us. Stay tuned for more updates.
For more updates, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.